Imagine this, a world so deep, so dark, that even light itself gives up. A place where pressure is so extreme that a massive airplane, if taken there, would be crushed into something small enough to fit in the palm of your hand. This is not science fiction. This is real. This is the Mariana Trench. Hidden beneath the vast Pacific Ocean lies a place that feels less like Earth and more like an alien world. The Mariana Trench is the deepest known point in all of Earth's oceans. Located in the Western Pacific, just east of the Mariana Islands, its deepest point, known as the Challenger Deep, dives down to nearly 10,984 meters. That's about 36,000 feet. To put that into perspective, if you took Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth, and flipped it upside down and placed it inside this trench, even then, Everest would still be submerged, under more than 2 kilometers of water. Let that sink in. This is not just depth. This is a different world entirely. A world without sunlight, a world of crushing pressure, a world of silence. But how did something like this even form? The answer lies deep within Earth's restless surface. Our planet's outer layer is broken into massive pieces, called tectonic plates. These plates are constantly moving, slowly, just a few centimeters every year. But when they collide, they create unimaginable forces. The Mariana Trench was formed at one such collision zone, where the Pacific Plate is slowly sliding beneath the Philippine Sea Plate. This process is called subduction, and it is still happening right now, every year. The Pacific Plate sinks about 3 to 5 centimeters deeper, which means the trench itself is still growing, still evolving, still changing. But this place is not just a geological wonder. It is also one of the most mysterious ecosystems on our planet. Because despite the darkness, despite the freezing cold, despite the crushing pressure, life still exists here. Strange life, unimaginable life, creatures that seem like they belong in a science fiction movie. Take, for example, Hirandelia gigas, a tiny crustacean that looks somewhat like a shrimp, yet it thrives in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. Scientists discovered that this creature produces a special chemical that helps protect its body from the immense pressure. It feeds on organic debris, falling from the upper layers of the ocean, surviving in complete darkness. And it's not alone. There are fish with soft, gelatinous bodies, so fragile, yet perfectly adapted to withstand the deep sea pressure. Some creatures produce their own light, a phenomenon known as bioluminescence. In a world where sunlight never reaches, these glowing organisms use light to hunt, to hide, to communicate. It's like a silent language of light in the darkest place on Earth. And then there are microorganisms, tiny life forms, living inside cracks in rocks, surviving on toxic chemicals, in conditions that would kill almost anything else. Scientists believe studying these organisms could help us understand how life first began on Earth, and even how life might exist on other planets. But as mysterious as this world is, it is not untouched. Even here, at the deepest point on Earth, human impact has reached. In 2019, explorer Victor Vescovo descended into the Challenger Deep in a state-of-the-art submersible called Limiting Factor. What he found was shocking. A plastic bag. Yes, even in the deepest, most remote place on Earth, human pollution exists. It's a chilling reminder that no place on this planet is truly beyond our reach. But humans didn't just discover this place recently. The first journey to the bottom of the Mariana Trench happened in 1960. 2 men, Don Walsh and Jacques Picard, descended into the depths, inside a specially designed submersible called Trieste. a vessel built to withstand the unimaginable pressure of the deep sea. It took them nearly 5 hours to reach the bottom, and when they did, the pressure outside was about 16,000 pounds per square inch. That's more than 1,000 times the pressure we feel at sea level. They stayed there for only 20 minutes. But even in that short time, they saw something incredible. Life, creatures, swimming in the darkness. Proof that even in the most extreme environments, life finds a way. For decades after that, no one dared to go back. Until 2012, when Hollywood filmmaker James Cameron made a solo descent into the Challenger Deep, inside a specially designed submersible called Deepsea Challenger. He spent nearly 3 hours at the bottom, capturing footage, collecting samples, and revealing more secrets of this hidden world. Then, in 2019, Victor Vescovo returned with advanced technology, pushing exploration even further. And yet, despite all these missions, we have explored less than 5% of the world's oceans, which means most of this underwater world remains unknown, unseen, unexplored. Think about that. We know more about the surface of Mars than we do about our own oceans. Beneath the waves, there are underwater volcanoes, hydrothermal vents, extreme heat zones, and ecosystems unlike anything on land. The deeper we go, the stranger it gets. The more we discover, the more we realize how little we truly understand. The Mariana Trench is not just a deep hole in the ocean. It is a gateway to understanding Earth's past, its present, and possibly the future of life itself. So the next time you look at the ocean, remember this: beneath that calm blue surface lies a world of darkness, mystery, and unimaginable life, a world that is still calling us to explore, to understand, and to protect. This is just the beginning. If you want to explore more hidden mysteries of our planet, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss what comes next, because the deeper we go, the more incredible the story becomes.